YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime Day unboxing to do. They got Prime Day sales going on now. Kickoff is next week. So hopefully you guys had a good holiday. Everybody is safe. And then Pono Palaxio. So hopefully you got your arms and your fingers. And here we go. We're going to see what's inside. And you guys can take a look. If you guys like it, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship it to you fast. Ooh. Alrighty. We might actually, it's really hot out today. It's probably like mid-90s. So definitely might use this outside. And we have here, coming from somewhere on the other side of the world, we have here, bada boom, 3rd generation expandable garden hose. Time to bring out the hose. 1 garden hose, 1 nozzle, 1 holder clamp, 3 backup gaskets, 2.5 times expansion, durable outer layer, super lightweight, over 1,500 usage, service life. Alright, so, I guess it's kickoff summer still. So if you're looking for a new garden hose, this is the spot to get one. And like I said, links will be down below. And you guys could get them now before they're gone. Prime Day sale going. Here we go. Finally catching up on some sleep. So, alright. There we go. 50-foot. Big guy. Ooh. This ain't bad looking. Oh boy. Got some washers. Lifetime warranty. We got the hose. This feels interesting. Kind of like Twizzlers, but don't eat it. We got the hook to put it back up. Put it right there so you can see it a little bit. Garbage right there. Oh, it's protecting the nozzle. Some kind of tape. Nice gold chrome plated. Got something here. Probably to hang it. I'll close this up. This is coming from Lefree. Well, it's going to be corrected in the title. So once you click on it, you're good to go. Alright. Yeah, it's Lefree. Lefree. Get this out of there. Ooh. Nice. Yeah, we're definitely testing it out. It's not raining today, so you're gonna go bada boom. It's always good to have extra hoses around too, so you might want to grab 2, especially with the deals. We got the 3/4. Man, you can see it like bling. Got a twist and shout like that. Nice chrome gold. It's a nice hose. Hook that up at the end. Squirt away. Alright, next time we're going to be out in the backyard. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. We got it out here. See the angle, the mist, the half bird center, full. Watch this. Has a nice, gotta cool down the plants. I don't know if you guys can see it. And all you gotta do is just turn it. Hold on. Right now it's on center. You can see the arrow. That's good for, you know, washing the house. Stuff like that. And then it's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time. So you can hear it click. And here's the angle. You could do like watering over. There you go. I mean, we rained a little bit last night, so plants should be good. The ground should be good, nice and wet. But yeah, really cool. Easy to set up. Nice grip. Check them out. Whew, there you go. Have a good day.